KRI Golok 688, a fast attack craft built for the Indonesian Navy, was launched on August 21, 2021. The ship is expected to be a replacement for the KRI Klewang that burned down in 2012. According to the Indonesian shipbuilder PT Lundin, the KRI Golok will be equipped with advanced weapons and specifications that qualify as a missile warship for the Indonesian Navy and have the technology as a stealth ship. According to the statement from the Indonesian Navy, the fast attack craft has a displacement of about 240 fighters, a length of 62.53 meters, a beam of 60 meters, and a draft of 1.2 meters. Similar to the Klewang, Golok is equipped with 4 main V12 diesels and 4 MJP 550 water jets. This craft has a top speed of 28 knots and a cruising speed of 60 knots. The design and body of the KRI Golok 688 is similar to the previous KRI Klewang 625. The Golok is a trimaran ship with a pointed forward design, which made it easy to execute hit-and-run tactics and maneuver in the waters of archipelago. The materials of the hull is made of carbon fiber composite, which makes this ship difficult to detect by enemy radar. This carbon fiber composite is stronger and lighter than steel. In addition, this material can also reduce the mass of objects, anti-rust, anti-dent, improve self-proofing and vibration, or waves. This ship can carry 25 special forces and can also be used for fast attacks and is equipped with advanced weaponry. The weapons are hidden in the hull of the ship. The expected armaments are missiles, a 30mm cannon and a 12.7mm gun, as well as a high-speed RHIB ship of 11 meters. Currently, KRI Golok 688 is in the refinement stage, so that it can be used as soon as possible by the Indonesian Navy with perfect conditions.